Welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to replace the battery for a Dell Inspiron 7391 2-in-1 laptop. Okay, so on the other side, you will see some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7. Remove them all, use a spudger to get hold of the corner, just like this. Use it in between, just like that, and then you lift up the back casing cover. This will come off, and then you will see how the motherboard and the battery, the layout of the laptop looks like. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws in total to remove. After that, you need to disconnect the battery connector. So the cable that connects into the connector, just pull it out with care. So once this is removed, you can lift up the battery and it will come away from the casing disclosure. So it's vice versa to put the replacement battery back in. Just align it just like this. Make sure the screws fit in where the holes are. I will fast forward this video. So as you can see, all the screws are reinserted again. 5 screws in total. And then that's it. You put your connector back in. You close the case. You put the screws back in. And you're all good to go. Just make sure you give the new battery a full charge when using the laptop.